Hi, my name is Young, and in this video, I'll be briefly talking about what it means to find a limit of a function, and also what it means to find the derivative of a function. First, as for the limit, when we are asked to find the limit of a function, we are essentially asked to find a value at which f of x is approaching a particular value of x. In this example, we're asked to find the limit of f of x as x is approaching a value of 2. So in order to solve this, we first need to know what our function is. So our function f of x is equal to x squared if x is not equal to 2, and it's equal to 0 if x is equal to 2. So in this graph on the right, we can see that the value of f of x is 0 when x is equal to 2. However, this f of x is approaching a value of 4 when x is equal to 2 from the left. Similarly, from the right, this f of x is approaching value of 4 when x is equal to 2. So which of the two is the limit of f of x at x is equal to 2? So as I mentioned before, the limit entails where this f of x is approaching at a particular value of x. Therefore, this limit of fx is indeed 4. This example shows that the limit of a function may not entail this particular value of f of x at a particular value of x. Rather, it has to do with the value at which this f of x is approaching a particular value of x. Okay, given this conceptual understanding of the limit, now I'm going to talk about what it means to take derivative of a function. So shown here is this mathematical formulation of describing derivative. So here we see very familiar formula, and this is essentially a formula for slope. You can see that f of x plus h minus f of x all divided by h is essentially slope, because here this is increase in y, delta y, and h is increase in x, delta x. And this is essentially a slope. Okay, but there is a limit here, and h is approaching 0. So why do we need this limit in the first place? So this limit signifies that h is approaching 0, meaning that h is approaching infinitesimally small value. So what does that mean? So this means that this derivative entails finding slope of a function at every slice of a function, or infinitesimally small value of increasing x and y. Therefore, this tells us that derivative is actually just finding instantaneous rate of every slice of a function fx. Okay, thank you for listening to my sample lecture on 2 topics on AP Calculus A, B, and BC. And in my class, AP Calculus A, B, and BC, I'll be emphasizing this conceptual understanding of different topics covered in AP Calculus A, B, and BC. And this is particularly appropriate strategy for acing AP exams, because these exams really like to test students on this conceptual understanding of topics.